Tired of juggling a million different apps and still feeling like you're drowning in tasks? Well, buckle up because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to transform your productivity using the ultimate all-in-one workspace Notion. First, let's get you started. Head to Notion and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see a blank canvas ready for your organizational magic. Think of Notion as a digital Lego set where you can build custom workspaces tailored to your exact needs. Let's start with tasks. Create a new page and choose the table database view. Now, name the columns to track priority, due date, and status. Input the task details, and use the status column to track if a task is to do, in progress, or completed. Boom, you've got a task tracker. Now, for projects, a Kanban board is your best friend. Use it to visualize the different stages of your project. Each column represents a stage like ideas, planning, in progress, review, and done. Drag and drop your project cards as they move through the process. And don't forget notes. Create a dedicated notes page and use headings, bullet points, and even embed web pages to keep all your research and ideas in one place. Use the toggle feature to hide and reveal notes to keep your space clean. That's it. Just scratching the surface, but you can see how powerful Notion can be. Experiment with templates, explore different database views, and find what works best for you. Now go forth and conquer your to-do list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.